Namaste to all. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya online classes. I hope all are fine. Please be safe and stay at home. I am Revati. I am your Maths teacher. Welcome to class 5 children. Before we start our class, we are going to discuss about moral values. Today's moral value is about responsibility. Responsibility is the most important value in our life. Every one of us have some responsibilities. As a child, you have some responsibilities at your home. As a teacher, I have some responsibilities in the school. During this pandemic situation, as a citizen of our country, we have some responsibilities. We should follow the instructions given by our government to fight against coronavirus. Okay children, let's start our first chapter. It is about large numbers. In 4th standard, you have learnt about 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. In a 5-digit number, there are 5 places. It consists of 5 places. It begins with the 10,000th place. In a 6-digit number, there are 6 places. It begins with the lakhs place. We are using commas to separate the periods. In a 5-digit number, there are 2 periods. They are ones and thousands periods. Do you know children how many places are there in ones period? Yes, there are 3 places. They are ones, tens and hundreds. And in thousands periods, we have 2 places. They are thousands and 10,000s. In a 6-digit number, there are 3 periods. They are ones, thousands and lakhs period. Now only we have discussed about ones and thousands period. So in lakhs period, we have 2 places. They are lakhs and 10 lakhs. Till 6-digit number means till lakhs place we have learned in 4th standard. Now in 5th standard, we are going to learn about 7-digit number and 8-digit number. How to represent a 5-digit number in a place value chart. Here is a place value chart which shows 5 places. Let's see what are the digits in that places. In ones place we have 4, in tens place we have 8, hundreds place we have 9, 6 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place. Before reading the number, let us separate the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds together in ones period, 1000, 10,000 together in thousands period. So after separating the period, we have to start to read the number along with its period. Let's start now. 26,984. Can you read along with me? 26,984. Children, see here. There is an abacus. Some beads are represented in a particular places. Can you guess the number from the abacus? Yes. Here we have 3 beads in ones place, 5 beads in tens place, 9 beads in hundreds place, 6 beads in thousands place, again 9 beads in 10,000s place. You please count and check it. Now I am going to read the number, that is 96,953. The number is 96,953. Likewise, you can represent any number on the abacus. You just practice in your notebook with some other number. Okay. Any large number also we can represent using the abacus. Now we are going to learn how to represent a 6-digit number in a place value chart. Here is an example for you. 3,56,245. We are going to fill the digits of the number in the place value chart. This place value chart consists of 4 periods, but in our number we have start from lakhs place only. So let's start from lakhs place. How many lakhs we have? 3 lakhs. So write the digit 3 in lakhs place. 56,000. So 5 10,000s plus 6,000. So write 5 in 10,000s place. Write the digit 6 in thousands place. 2 hundreds. How many hundreds? 200. So write the digit 2 in hundreds place. 40. 40 means 4 tens. So write the digit 4 in tens place. 5 ones. So write the digit 5 in ones place. This is the way we have to fill the digits in the proper places. Likewise, you can try with some other number. Okay. Practice well. Okay. Tell me now how many thousands are here? 6,000. How many hundreds we have? 2 hundreds. What is the digit in tens place? 4. Now this is our Indian place value chart. It consists of 4 periods, 9 places. In this chart we can represent any number till 9 digits. Okay. Now in ones period we have 3 places as usual, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands period have 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. What are the places in crores period? In crores period we have 2 places. They are crores and 10 crores. Okay. Now how many zeros are there in 100? There are 2 zeros in 100. 1 followed by 2 zeros means we can read it as 100. Okay. How do you read 1 followed by 5 zeros? 1 followed by 5 zeros, it is named as lakhs. Okay. Now if it is 1 followed by 7 zeros means how do you read? 1 followed by 7 zeros, it is named as crores. 1 followed by 8 zeros means it is 10 crores. Do you know, children, there is no end for numbers. Can you find the name of 1 followed by 100 zeros? Next, we are going to find the smallest 7-digit number. The smallest 7-digit number is called 10 lakh. Do you know, children, what is the greatest 6-digit number? The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. If you add 1 with the number with the greatest 6-digit number, we will get the smallest 7-digit number. It is 10 lakh. That is 1 followed by 6 zeros. It is named as 10 lakh. Now we have the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, tell me what is the greatest 7-digit number? Okay, it is nothing but the greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. With this greatest 7-digit number, if we add 1, we will get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. The smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. 1 crore we can write as 1 followed by 7 zeros. So tell me now, what is the greatest 8-digit number? That is 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. So this is the way we can represent any large numbers more than 8 digit. Okay, you can find so many numbers in this way. Next, we are going to learn how to represent a 7-digit number in a place value chart. See, children, now we are going to represent a 7-digit number. So let us consider 7 places, namely ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, till 10 lakhs we are going to represent. Now let us represent some digits in their places. I have placed 1 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place, 8 in 10,000s place, 4 in lakhs place, 2 in 10 lakhs place. Before reading the number, let's separate the period. According to that, we have to read the number. Okay. Ones, tens, to hundreds together in ones period, 1,000, 10,000 together in thousands period, in lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs together in lakhs period. Let us separate the number according to the period wise by using commas. Here I have separated, see how I have separated with commas, 24, 83, 761. So let us read the number along with its period. So 24 lakhs 83,761. Now in this way, using this chart, we can represent any 7-digit number. We can read the number easily and we can write the number name easily. This is a place value chart. It consists of 9 places. Now I am going to teach you how to represent a 8-digit number in the place value chart. Till crores place we are going to represent the digits. Okay. First, here as we discussed earlier, how many places we have in ones period? 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds together in ones period. See the pink color. Okay. Next, in thousands period we have 2 places, thousands and 10,000. And next, lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs places. Crores period, crores and 10 crores. But till crores period we are going to represent 8-digit number. If you want to make 9-digit number, we can represent in 10 crores place also. Okay. Here I have represent till 8-digit number. Okay. In ones place I have placed 7, 4 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. Took these 3 together in ones period. Next, 5 in thousands place. I have represented 0 in 10,000s place. So 0 and 5 in thousands place. In lakhs place 1, 10 lakhs place 2. So in lakhs period we have 21. Crores period we have represented 5 in crores place. So after separating the commas according to the period wise, let's start to read the number along with the period. 5 crores, 21 lakhs, 5,747. Here I have written the number name without mistake. You also try with some other number name. Represent in place value chart. Separate the periods and write the number name. You can try with few numbers. Here tell me children, how many thousands we have in this number? We have 5 thousands. How many 10,000s are there in 10,000s place? We have 0 10,000. So I have represented with 0. Okay. How many 10 lakhs we have? We have 2 10 lakhs. 2 10 lakhs means 20 lakhs. Okay. How many crores we have in crores place? That is 5 crores we have. Okay. Now 700. 7 in hundreds place. So the digit represented in hundreds place is, what is the digit? That is 7. How many tens we have in tens place? 4. Where is the place of 1 in this chart? 1 is placed in the place of lakhs. It is placed in lakhs period. So likewise you try with some other examples, then you can get familiar. So children, now the time for recapitulation. We are going to revise whatever we have learnt in this class. Okay, here I have given 4 examples. I have placed the digits in place value chart. The first number, it has 6 digits. So we have to place the digits from lakhs place. Okay, now let us read the number after separating the period. Okay, can you read along with me? Yes, 5,27,864. Okay, now the second number, it has only 5 digits, so we have to start from 10,000s place. After placing the digits, let us separate the period and then read the number. Okay, the number is 95,432. See children, next number, it has 8 digits. So we have to start to place the digits from crores place. After placing it, we have to separate the period and read the number. Now let us read now. 1 crore 89 lakhs 50,049. 50,049. Okay, see the next number, it also contains 8 digits. See now there are so many zeros in this number. It is easy to read as also. So let's start to read now. 7 crores, no lakhs place. So 7 crores 2,509. So this is the way we can represent any number in the chart. Here is your assignment children. I have given you 3 questions. First question is, write the number name of the given number. Okay. Second question is, represent the given number in abacus. Draw the abacus and represent the digits in proper place by drawing the beads. Okay. And write the number name also. Next, write the numeral form of the greatest 8-digit number. Children, one more activity to you. You collect the phone numbers of your family members or neighbors. In that, first 9 digits or last 9 digit, you take it and write the number name to practice the number name. You collect any 10 mobile numbers and then practice number name. It will be helpful to you. Thank you children.